Feeling healthy never tasted so good. I couldn't agree more. How's everybody doing today? Keto family. Mattroise here, and today I'm gonna review Keto Pint's Keto Ice Cream Collection. We have peanut butter cup, chocolate chip cookie dough, strawberry, and sea salt caramel, and keto bars, sea salt caramel, peanut butter cup, and mint chip. Alright, so let's take a look at the macros. First, keto peanut butter cup. There's 3 servings per container. At 270 calories per serving, 24 grams of total fat, a total carbohydrate of 15 grams, minus the dietary fiber of 8 grams and 4 grams, which will give you 3 grams of net carbs and 9 grams of protein. Macros are looking pretty good to me. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Cream, whole milk, peanut butter, erythritol, stevia, monk fruit sweetener. The ingredients are very clean. Let's take a look at chocolate chip cookie dough. A little bit less calories, 220 calories per serving, and the ingredients are very clean. So as you can see, the chocolate chip cookie dough has significantly less calories than the peanut butter, and that's because peanut butter is high in calories. Let's take a look at the strawberry. This one has 4 grams of net carbs, and the ingredients are very clean as well. Now the extra gram of carbohydrates probably coming from the strawberries. This one has 4 servings per container at 160 calories per serving. Now let's take a look at the sea salt caramel. 3 servings per container at 180 calories per serving. 3 grams of net carbs. Sea salt caramel has the least amount of calories per serving and per pint. Let's take a look at the keto bars. Sea salt caramel. There's 4 bars per box, and each bar is 160 calories. 15 grams of fat, 11 grams of total carbs, minus the dietary fiber of 2 grams, and sugar alcohol of 7 grams. Ingredients are really clean as well, with the addition of MCT oil. That's incredible, these bars have MCT oil. Now the peanut butter cup. The macros are almost identical, and the ingredients are very clean as well. Now the mint chocolate chip. The macros are also identical. Wow, Keto Pint's using top quality, top-notch ingredients. I can't wait to try these ice creams. Now what you've all been waiting for, a taste test. We're gonna try peanut butter cup first. Tastes just like peanut butter. Man, this is delicious. It's creamy. It's so smooth. Now the strawberry. That is amazing. Tastes just like strawberry, like a strawberry milkshake. Really smooth texture. Tastes delicious. Now chocolate chip cookie dough. That is amazing. How did Keto Pint know that chocolate chip cookie dough is my favorite flavor? That is out of this world. And finally, the sea salt caramel. It's so creamy, so soft, so subtle. I am in love with all those Keto Pint ice creams so far. But we're gonna try the bars right now. First, the mint chocolate chip. I really get that taste from the peppermint oil. Absolutely delicious. Very refreshing. Now the sea salt caramel. That is so decadent. It's so creamy, smooth, delicious. That is a home run right there. And last but not least, peanut butter cup. Peanut butter cup, it tastes pretty good to me. Wow, so these ice creams actually taste just as good, if not better, than ice creams you would have full of processed carbs and sugar. It is so amazing to have ice creams like this on the market today, where you didn't have ice creams like this years ago. Chris and Anthony are doing incredible things here with Keto Pint. These 2 brothers were so happy with the results of the keto diet. They have such an incredible story as to why they started this keto ice cream. And I look forward to seeing what other flavors they have in the near future. I love each and every one of these ice creams. 5 stars all across the board. But if I had to pick favorites, chocolate chip cookie dough and sea salt caramel. Wow, pure decadence. My favorite bar has to be the sea salt caramel, followed by the mint chocolate chip. It was an honor and a privilege to review these keto-friendly ice creams and ice cream bars. Check the description of this review video. You'll see a link to go directly to Keto Pint's website, where you can order your ice cream bundle and have it shipped directly to your address. You can also search where you could find Keto Pint ice cream at your local grocery stores. They're using the best-in-class ingredients, sustainably sourced chocolate, and working directly with their dairy farmers. If you're going to purchase some keto ice cream, there's no better company to support than Keto Pint. You definitely have a fan for life right here. Do yourself a favor. If you're on keto and you're craving something sweet and you want some ice cream, get yourself some Keto Pint ice cream. There's nothing more valuable than family and health. And that's why I call you my keto family. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're gonna enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Mattroise signing out.